What if one country could take you from towering mountains and roaring waterfalls to endless forests and breathtaking coastlines? Canada is a land of incredible natural beauty, where every destination feels like a new adventure waiting to unfold. Join us as we explore the wonders that make Canada one of the most unforgettable places on Earth. Banff is a beautiful town and national park located in the Canadian Rockies in Alberta, Canada. It is famous for its stunning turquoise lakes, towering mountains, glaciers, and peaceful forests. Popular attractions include Lake Louise, Moraine Lake, and the Banff Gondola, which offers incredible views of the surrounding mountains. Visitors can enjoy hiking, skiing, canoeing, and wildlife watching throughout the year. With its breathtaking scenery and many outdoor activities, Banff is one of Canada's most popular and unforgettable destinations. Vancouver is a beautiful and lively city located on the west coast of Canada in British Columbia. It is known for its stunning combination of mountains, forests, ocean views, and modern city life. Vancouver has a diverse population and is home to people from many different cultures, which gives the city a unique atmosphere and a wide variety of food, festivals, and traditions. Visitors can enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, skiing, boating, and sightseeing, while also exploring the city's restaurants, shops, museums, and entertainment. The city is surrounded by beautiful natural scenery, with mountains rising in the distance and the Pacific Ocean nearby. Vancouver is also known for its mild climate compared with many other Canadian cities, although it receives plenty of rain during the cooler months. With its combination of nature, culture, and city life, Vancouver is one of Canada's most popular destinations and a great place to visit. Toronto is the largest city in Canada and is located in the province of Ontario, along the northern shore of Lake Ontario. It is a busy and diverse city known for its tall buildings, exciting neighborhoods, and many cultural attractions. Toronto is home to people from all around the world, making it one of the most multicultural cities in Canada. Visitors can enjoy museums, restaurants, shopping, sports, festivals, and entertainment throughout the city. Toronto also has beautiful parks, waterfront areas, and public spaces where people can relax and enjoy the outdoors. The city has a strong arts and entertainment scene, with concerts, theaters, galleries, and events taking place throughout the year. Its busy streets and impressive skyline give Toronto a modern and energetic atmosphere. With its diverse culture, exciting activities, and mix of city life and nature, Toronto is a popular destination for visitors from Canada and around the world. Montreal is a vibrant and historic city located in the province of Quebec, Canada. It is known for its unique blend of Canadian and French culture, with both French and English playing important roles in the city. Montreal has beautiful architecture, lively neighborhoods, interesting museums, and many restaurants serving a wide variety of foods. The city is also famous for its festivals, music, arts, and exciting events that take place throughout the year. Visitors can explore streets filled with historic buildings, enjoy parks and outdoor spaces, and experience the city's welcoming atmosphere. Montreal has a different character during each season, with warm summers, colorful autumns, snowy winters, and beautiful springs. The city is especially lively during the summer when people spend more time outdoors and attend festivals and events. With its rich history, diverse culture, delicious food, and exciting atmosphere, Montreal is one of Canada's most interesting and memorable cities to visit.